What's up, YouTube? It's your host, your ghost host with the most, here to bring you a vlog. Long overdue, I'd say so. Walking in a very dangerous neighborhood. Now I'm in a pretty good side right now. I think the only thing that I'm more afraid of than these fucking gangs and shit, not really, gang person or whatever tried fucking with me last summer. Chased his ass down in my car, waved a BB gun at him. It's these pigs, man. It's these cops. Now, as much as I'm willing to spit in the face of a cop, I'm really not willing to throw away 30 years of my life just getting caught smoking some oregano in public. Fuck. I'm so fucked. I gotta get out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna dip through this alley. But yeah, what I'm doing right now is really fucking ballsy because on my fucking way to Walgreens, I was walking to Walgreens. I didn't want to bike to Walgreens. I didn't even want to go to Walgreens. But I knew I was probably going to have the munchies in like an hour. I didn't want to bike because I'm sick of fucking falling off my fucking bike and shit, trying to like do tricks and stuff. I don't know if you can see this. Where is it? Yeah, you probably can't see it, but I skinned my whole elbow, almost just about down to the bone. Just one of many. Normally I'd have music playing right about... Oh, fuck. Say it, don't spray it. You know what I mean? Use your indoor voice, faggot. Today, I told a retarded kid I went to school with to get cancer. It would have been way more funny if he knew who it was. I did on my personal Facebook account. But it would have been way more funny if he knew who it was. Kind of disappointed it wasn't like my actual Facebook. I don't even have it. I'm done with Facebook. But, yeah, I'm almost home.
Hey, you don't got no smoke, do you?
I got a light.
I got a light.
Oh, shit. I don't have cigarettes on me.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. If I did, man, I wouldn't have a problem. Shit, dude. Does that guy know I smoke weed? Fuck. Muy dangerous so. I want to really... I would have taken my skateboard, but there's so many fucking cracks on the pavement and shit. Fuck, man. I gotta watch out what I do in public. Because to be honest with you, Americans, I do so much fucked up shit in real life. Like, doesn't even compare to like the faggotry that I do on the internet. Here, hold up. I don't want to ruin that shirt.